Another facet that really helped sort of build who I am today was, frankly, the opportunities offered to travel, frankly, worldwide. I've been in many different places now where I've lectured, I've operated, I've taught, and what it really gave me was the sense of there's a lot of good surgeons all across the globe. We're all seeing what is really the same few common problems, many different ways to do this. There's not necessarily just one entirely right way and everybody else is wrong. It's a much broader standard than that. But I had the chance to see how other people did this in many various places, look at their results. And then I try to bring back what seemed like the best of ideas and incorporate it into my practice too. At the end, I'm really a product of my own experience and training, and I'm frankly very grateful for being fortunate enough to have had the opportunities that most surgeons just never get. And I try to incorporate those on a daily basis when I see patients today here in Nashville.